So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Gemini not working. So the first thing you want to do is check on it through your app store. Once you're here, you can see today, games, apps, arcade, and the search. Go ahead and click on search and you will need to type out Google Gemini. After that, open it up and check if there is any updates for the app and that might be hindering its use. So once you're done with that, swipe on over to Google Gemini. And if you want to use it, make sure that you're logged into your Google account, since using it without one is quite impossible since it's a Google app. After that, make sure that you have internet running and that you haven't filled up your space on Google Gemini, or if your Google Gemini Pro subscription is no longer there, that means that it has run out, you haven't renewed it. And make sure that you do that if your Pro version isn't working and you expect it to work. You can also find out on here. You can go ahead and use your voice commands and stuff like that, so you can check on a lot of stuff that uses Google Gemini. And you can also ask it yourself, do you run properly? And says, yes, I'm running properly. I've been updated and continue to learn and improve. How can I help you today? So that's quite a direct answer, so you can be sure that everything under control. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Gemini or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.